this video, I'll walk you through the data module in Bud Model Foundry. Bud Model Foundry is designed to help enterprises train, fine-tune, and align custom AI models. And as with any model training initiative, data plays a critical role in determining the quality of the final model. Whether you're fine-tuning a model for a specific domain, building a model for a specialized use case, or improving an existing model's performance, you'll typically work with one or more sources of data. However, collecting data is only the first step. To achieve high-quality training outcomes, the data must be properly prepared, validated, and processed before it is used for training. Let's see how Bud Model Foundry helps you manage this entire workflow. After logging into your dashboard, navigate to the Data module. The Datasets tab provides a centralized view of all the datasets available in your workspace. Let's start by adding a new dataset. You can either upload a dataset directly from your local machine or import one from Hugging Face. To import a dataset from Hugging Face, simply copy the dataset ID and paste it here. For this demonstration, we'll upload a dataset from a local file. Once the dataset has been added, open it to view its details. The overview page provides key information such as the number of records, dataset size, format, available versions, and other metadata. The Versions tab tracks every version of the dataset. A newly uploaded dataset will initially have a single version. As data processing pipelines are applied, additional versions are automatically created, allowing you to track changes and maintain reproducibility throughout the training lifecycle. If needed, you can also split the dataset into training, validation, and test sets directly from here. You can also add a dataset directly to a training job from this interface. However, in most real-world scenarios, raw datasets are rarely ready for training immediately. They often contain duplicate records, inconsistent formatting, noisy content, irrelevant data points, missing values, or sensitive information that should not be included in model training. Processing the data beforehand improves model quality, reduces training inefficiencies, and helps ensure more reliable outcomes. This is where the Pipelines module comes in. The Pipelines module allows you to build data processing workflows that transform raw datasets into clean, training-ready datasets. Click on Add Pipeline to create a new workflow. You'll find a visual drag-and-drop pipeline builder where you can select an input dataset and then add processing steps as required. These processing steps can include filtering data, mapping fields, deduplication, data selection, aggregation, and more. Each processing stage provides multiple specialized operations. For example, within data mapping, you can choose from options such as HTML mapping, link mapping, email mapping, IP mapping, and other transformations depending on your requirements. Simply add the required processing steps, configure their parameters, and execute the pipeline. Once completed, Bud Model Foundry automatically generates a processed version of the dataset that is ready for model training. And that's a quick overview of the data module in Bud Model Foundry. In addition to supervised fine-tuning workflows, Bud Model Foundry also supports advanced training approaches, including reinforcement learning and agentic reinforcement training, which we'll explore in upcoming videos. If you'd like to see Bud Model Foundry in action, reach out to us to schedule a personalized demo.